Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're making fish sinigang sa miso, a classic Filipino comfort soup that's both sour, savory, and deeply flavorful. This soup combines tangy tamarind, earthy miso, and fresh fish, simmered with vegetables and aromatics for a rich, restorative broth. Perfect for family meals, rainy days, or when you want a hearty bowl of Filipino goodness. Grab your ladle, let's cook this soul-warming sinigang together. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 large onion, sliced, 3 thumb ginger, sliced, 8 cloves garlic, minced, 10 tomatoes, quartered, 3 cups miso paste, white or yellow, 10 to 12 cups water, or rice water for a thicker soup. 1 pack, 25-40 g, tamarind seasoning mix or 300 grams fresh green tamarind, boiled, mashed and strained. 1 large radish, labanos, sliced. 16 pieces okra. 8 pieces salmon, belly or head, milkfish, bangus, or maya, cleaned and sliced. 5 green long chilies, siling haba. 2 bunches mustard leaves, mustasa. 2 teaspoons salt. 2 teaspoons ground black or white pepper. Procedure: heat oil in a large pot. Sauté garlic, ginger, and onion until fragrant. Add tomatoes and cook until soft and mushy. Add the miso paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes to blend flavors. Pour in 10 to 12 cups of water, or rice water for a thicker soup. Bring to a boil. Add the tamarind mix/extract, radish, and okra. Cover and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until vegetables start to soften. Carefully add the fish and green chilies. Cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. Add the mustard leaves, mustasa, and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust seasoning if needed. Turn off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes before serving with steamed white rice. And there you have it, your fish sinigang sa miso is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, like this video for more authentic Filipino dishes. Comment below your favorite sinigang twist. Subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious Filipino recipe. Share this with your friends and family and bring the taste of home to everyone's table.